In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add newsletter sign-up forms on GoDaddy websites. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the website you want to edit. Once you're logged in, go to your profile area so you can access your account options. From there, click My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all the services connected to your account, including your websites. Look through your products and select the website you want to work on. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct one before moving forward. Next, click Edit Website. This will open the website editor, where you can make changes visually without needing to code anything. Once the editor loads, locate the specific page where you want the newsletter sign-up form to appear. This is an important step because the form should be placed on the page where visitors are most likely to subscribe, such as the home page, a contact page, or a blog-related page. After you've opened the correct page, click Add Section. GoDaddy organizes website content into sections, which makes it easy to insert new content blocks exactly where you want them. When the section options appear, look for Blog and Newsletter, then click it. This category contains layouts designed for blog content and email sign-up areas. Now choose the specific layout you want to add. Take a moment to review the available designs and select the one that best matches your website style and the amount of information you want to show. Once you click the layout, it will be added to your page. After the section has been added, feel free to customize your newsletter area. You can adjust the text, update headings, and make sure the message clearly tells visitors why they should subscribe. It's a good idea to keep the wording simple and inviting, so people immediately understand the benefit of joining your newsletter. You can also check that the section fits well with the rest of your page design, so it looks natural and professional. Once you're done making your changes, click Publish. This is the final step that makes your newsletter sign-up form live on your website, so visitors can see it and start subscribing. That's it. You've successfully added a newsletter sign-up form to your GoDaddy website.